Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, February the 7th, 2019. And before we get started, I just want to, apologize. I had meetings out of town for a couple of days, and I thought maybe I'd be able to get some videos made, but I was not. So we're going to have some catching up to do today. And as you probably know by now, the markets have been pulling back the past couple of days. So I'm going to remind you about our free ebook. Not that I think we're going to continue the downtrend. Hopefully we're just having a little pause here, a little retracement, and then more bullish action. But nonetheless, there is always opportunity to trade both sides of the market, and this ebook we have will help you do that. So here's the link to get into that. Just that'll be in the comments in the YouTube video. Just go to that. You've got to put in your email address. We'll send you the link so that you can download that. And whether it's in this particular time or down the road, this will provide you with some good information if you're not familiar with shorting. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the markets, and we'll take a look here. And we're going to go ahead and start with the spiders. And as you can see, we had that nice trip up. We bounced off that 200 just about, and then yesterday we had the doji candle. And today we pulled back. I guess the good news is that we did, close off session lows, and we gained some of that back, so that we have a pretty good tail here. So if we, get some good news or something happens and we rebound tomorrow, it's all good for the bulls. If not, we may have a little bit more of a pullback to go through. But let's wait and see what happens. It's always best to react to the market than it is to try to predict the market. Now, if we take a look at the Qs, we see much of the same pattern. We came just about up to that 200. Tried tapping on it for 2 days and came down a little bit yesterday. We had the gap down today, and once again, good news is we did not close on session lows. We came up from that a little bit, and now looking at the diamonds, we can see pretty much the same story. The only difference here is we are above the 200, and we came down to the 200 and bounced off of it. So hopefully that's a good sign for that. And once again, we did not close on session lows. We had that recovery towards the second half of the day. So, it'll be interesting. We'll watch it. We've had a lot of volatility here all year long. So, let's stay tuned and see what happens. Now with Holly, Holly has not been super active, so let's just bring in the Excel spreadsheet and go off of that for today, and we're going to take a look. So on Tuesday, we had 7 trades for 12 cents profit, and 58 cents was the risk on profit. Yesterday, we had 24 trades, $1.48 profit, 418 was the risk on profit. So she had a real nice day yesterday, especially in the risk on. Now today, a little bit of trouble, just 7 trades, so she didn't pull very many triggers. 32 cents profit, lost 31 cents on the risk on. So for the week, she's sitting at 70 trades, 226 profit, 641 is the risk on profit. And I just want to once again remind you that that is based on trading 1 share per trade. So that's buying and selling 1 trade every time she gets in and out of a trade. And so hopefully tomorrow we'll do our weekly wrap up, and we'll go through it a little bit more in depth. And as a reminder, you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd appreciate you give us a thumbs up, maybe drop in a comment, maybe share it with some friends and relatives. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button, and we'd love to have you getting the videos every day. So I just want to thank you, and God bless.